Welcome to the Mothers-to-Be Pregnancy Academy 24 to 36 weeks of pregnancy. It's been really exciting for our New Zealand Charitable Trust to have me leave this legacy of content on Udemy because it's just such a global platform. So what's it all about between 24 and 36 weeks? And what exactly are the 10 skills if you haven't taken the previous courses? The 10 skills in this course were developed by Birthing Better Fathers in the late 1980s and the early 90s. We had already developed all of the skills to work through our baby's birth journey, no matter where we birthed, who was present, or what was happening to or around us. And we had also developed all of the skills of how to prepare our pregnant body to become a birthing body. In reality, fathers were saying, we've got to go back a bit and really develop some skills from conception to birth. And what men discovered and were able to tell me and pass on to me was that there are 5 distinct phases that they experienced and you experienced in pregnancy. That was from conception to 12 weeks, 12 weeks to 24, 24 to 36, 36 to birth, and even the birth, which you're still pregnant until your baby is born. And these 10 skills can be presented in any fashion. They're kindness, awareness, patience, attention to detail, seeing what needs to be done and doing it, developing a second set of arms, a second set of eyes, humor, delight, and clarity. However, they don't have to be presented in that order. So in this course, we're actually going to start with delight.